Okay. Let's do a question now. How many of you know about simple interest? Are you all aware of simple interest? What is simple interest? What is the formula of simple interest? Anyone? Okay. So whenever you go to a bank and invest some amount for some period of time, if it is charged by simple interest, then the profit that you gain is written with this formula, P into R into T by 100. So basically, whatever amount you sent into the rate of interest into the time of duration of investment divided by 100. Okay, PRT by 100. So basically, what I want you to write a program for is take these three as input. So take principal amount, rate, and time as input. Then apply this formula and calculate the simple interest, right? So total amount that you will get back can be written as P plus this, right? So this is the extra that you get, plus obviously this is the amount that you originally had, right? So basically I want you to calculate this total amount at the end. Can you all try this code out quickly? Calculation of simple interest. Take three numbers as input, PRT, and use this formula to calculate your result. Can everyone try this out? And try some small cases, see if it works. By the way, everyone needs to code, right? So there is no point in just listening to whatever I'm telling. So actually go to this particular website and start coding, right? There is no point in just sitting and not coding. P equal to int input, R equal to int input, T equal to int input, SI equal to P into R into D by 100. Great. What will you print then at the end, Sonal? We need total amount that we'll get after the investment. 1 second. Okay. But total amount is P plus SI, right? We need to print P plus SI. Great. So I think two of you have already, yeah, completed this. So I'll just also write it out. So first you'll say P equal to int input. Then you'll say rate of interest, take input. By the way, rate of interest. Should we use int? What do you think? What is the safest thing to use here? Float, right? Why float? It might happen that our amount and our rate of interest are 7.5, 3.5, some things like that, right? So it's better to use decimal. Similarly, time also, it could be 1.5 year, right? So float everything. Then simple interest would be our P into R into T by 100. And finally, our amount will be equal to P plus SI. And we can print out this amount. Does this code make sense to everyone? So if I run this, let's say I invest 1,000 rupees for rate of interest of 5% for, let's say, 1 year. So I'll be able to get 1,050 rupees at the end of it. Does this make sense? Because 5% is 50 rupees. So 50 rupees would be added to your total amount. So you'll get 1,050. You can also give 5.5 and see what happens. Could not convert string to float. Okay, empty. So this compiler is slightly buggy. So sometimes gives out these kind of issues and errors. If you press double enter or something, but yeah. Okay.